Good morning and happy Wednesday, September 23rd. All right, so today we are sticking with multiplying multi-digit numbers. This is lesson 3 of this week. Monday and Tuesday, we learned and reviewed some multiplication strategies, area model, partial product, and standard algorithm. Today, you get to practice what strategy you like the best. It doesn't matter as long as you get to the product. Remember, product is a fancy word for the answer to a multiplication problem. All right, let's take a look at our learning objective. I can solve problems involving multi-digit multiplication. Our agenda. You're going to have a quick start problem just to get your brain warmed up on the next slide. And then you'll see number 2 that we're doing today is a math search. So you are going to use what you have learned and the strategy that you like best to multiply multi-digit numbers and apply it today, right? But you're going to have some fun with it. You're going to do a math search. So instead of a word search, you're actually going to solve the problem and find the number hidden in the search box. So the only materials you're going to need today is this slide that I'm going to show you next on this Google slide presentation. But I would also probably recommend either a whiteboard that you can write and erase your products or a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm not going to require you to turn those in, but it's definitely going to come handy in solving these problems. Okay, by a 2-digit factor, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this green box and you're going to type in your name. You'll see that there are instructions right here, but this is also super helpful to know how to do this. Okay, after you have typed in your name, you are going to look at the problem. So problem number 1, here's my problem, 502 times 86. Now you'll notice that there's a color underneath this. After you find the product to this problem, you are going to find that product or answer up here in the search, and you're going to select red. So I have solved this on my piece of paper and pencil, with my pencil and paper and pencil beside me. I do use standard algorithm, and the product that I found was 43,172. Now I must find that number in this search, and I'm going to select the red because this product is going to be red, and I see the number 43,172. I see it going across here. I lay the box on the very first number, and then you'll see that how I have like 4 arrows. Well, I'm going to make it have just one arrow pointing in the direction that I want it to slide open to. I'm going to click and drag over, and you can see my box getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And ta-da! So I have now taken the red color and I have highlighted the 43172 because that is a product to this first question. Now you'll see your next color, you do not use red again. Okay, so the next color when I solve for number 2, I will have orange. Hopefully you're writing this down from the video because I just gave you the answer to the first question. And you can go through and highlight and practice using the red. Okay, now that you've watched this video, I want you to go back to the main slide, and I want you to move this star over the learning objective. That is going to tell me that you watched this video. If your star is not moved, that tells me that you didn't read this. You did not read this. You did not watch this video on how to do the search. All right, have fun today. Make sure you move your yellow star on top of your learning objective and practice your strategy that you use to multiply multi-digit numbers.